You got to pull them out. You can look at them, and then you got to turn around and show me, okay?
Okay. Ah! That's a lot of books.
It is a lot of books, so let's see. Turn it around. No, turn it around to me so I can read the page. There you go. 50 science things to make and do. We'll look at them in just a minute, okay?
Okay.
What's next? Oh, about a book about insects.
Let's do the top ones.
Okay, what's that? Dinosaurs.
Yay! A coloring one.
A little coloring book of dinosaurs.
Oh yeah, the coloring book.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Owls. It's a reader book for you. Ooh, a book about weather. I like that.
Oh! More dinosaurs.
More dinosaurs. The dinosaur who lost his roar. It's another one for you to read. A book on ants. Caterpillars and butterflies.
Oh, gingerbread man.
The gingerbread man. That's a reader for you. How the zebra got its stripes. That's another reader for you.
Oh my goodness.
That's the animal joke book. We're going to read one joke every week once we start school. Oh, I can draw animals. That's your art book. Yeah, it's going to teach you how to draw animals.
Oh,
Pretty cool, huh?
cool.
Brothers. That's a book about brothers for you and brother to read.
Oh.
It's a book about baby animals. That one's from Malachi. That's On the Farm. It's another reader for you. The Chilly Little Penguin, another reader.
Oh my goodness.
The Reluctant Dragon. That's a reader for you.
A painting book.
It is finger painting book. That one's super cool. I'm excited about that one. Yeah, that's my receipt. Secrets of a Vegetable Garden. That's the one we can use our flashlight with.
Oh!
Dinosaurs. That's another one with our flashlight.
Oh yes! Yes!
Oh, are you excited about that one?
Yeah.
What's that?
A dinosaur puzzle.
A dinosaur puzzle and book. So book and jigsaw puzzle. Oh, be careful. Big books of stars and planets with 4 giant fold-outs. So you excited about all these books?
Yes!
You got books on insects, science, caterpillars and butterflies and
We can
ants.
use this for the rocket ship.
Yeah, we can use that for our rocket ship week. Got a lot of books, didn't we?
Yay! I want to use the finger painting one.
Are you excited to start school?
Yes, I want to use the finger painting